Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect XM to TradingView. In this walkthrough, the important thing to understand from the start is that XM already provides a TradingView-powered chart interface on its platform. So rather than performing a separate connection or integration, you're really just confirming where to find TradingView inside XM and how to recognize that it's already in use. To begin, go to the XM website and open the symbol or chart page you want to view. In the example shown here, the page is displaying a market chart within XM. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to look over the layout so you can identify the main chart area. This is where price movement, indicators, and chart controls are displayed. After you're on the chart page, direct your attention to the lower left area of the chart. This is the key part of the process. You should see a TradingView label or branding there, which indicates that the chart you're viewing is already powered by TradingView. That means there is no extra setup required to connect XM to TradingView separately. This is an important point because many users expect to log into TradingView, link accounts, or go through an integration menu. In this case, you do not need to do that. XM is already using TradingView within its own charting environment, so the chart access is built in. As long as you are on the relevant XM chart page and can see that TradingView branding, you can treat it as confirmation that the chart is already connected and functioning through XM. If you don't notice it right away, give the chart a second to fully load and check the lower left corner carefully. Depending on screen size or zoom level, some chart elements can appear smaller than expected. It can also help to maximize the browser window so the full chart interface is visible. So to summarize in a simple way, you first open XM, then locate the chart page, and finally verify the TradingView label in the lower left corner of the chart. Once you see that, there's nothing else you need to integrate or link manually because XM is already using TradingView for that chart display. That's all there is to it. You've now confirmed how XM connects with TradingView directly within the platform, making it easy to access TradingView charting tools without any separate setup.